Welcome to your ultimate guide to mastering ChatGPT prompts. Let's dive in. Before we go deep, understand that mastering ChatGPT prompts is your secret weapon to unlock your AI's full potential, whether you're on a free or premium plan. So make sure to hit like, share with your friends, and save for future use. Stick around, because we're revealing the 7 mistakes that are keeping you from making the most out of your AI interactions. Ever wondered why you're not getting the results you want from your ChatGPT prompts? We're answering that today. I'll introduce you to a foolproof 6-step formula, a strategy designed to elevate your ChatGPT interactions. By the way, did you know that this course is the result of weeks of research and testing? People out there are charging hundreds of dollars for a course like this. But today you will get all of it for free. So let's dive in. The problem with generic prompts. Imagine you're at a vast library, seeking a specific book. But instead of asking the librarian precisely what you need, you vaguely say, "I want a book about space." This is what happens when you use generic prompts with ChatGPT. You get a mountain of information, but not necessarily what you were looking for. One of the most common mistakes? Being too broad. Asking ChatGPT to tell me about history is like opening Pandora's box. You'll get an answer, but it might not be the one you're seeking. Another pitfall? Poorly structured prompts. If your question is a jigsaw puzzle of words, even the best AI might struggle to piece together what you truly mean. The result? Wasted time, frustration, and missed opportunities to harness the true power of ChatGPT. Remember, in the world of AI, precision is power. The clearer your prompt, the clearer your answer. The power of a perfect prompt. At the heart of ChatGPT lies a sophisticated neural network, a digital brain trained on vast amounts of text from the internet. When you type a prompt, you're not just sending a message, you're providing a pathway, guiding this digital brain to the precise information stored within its vast knowledge. A well-structured prompt is like a straight, unobstructed path, leading directly to the answer. But a vague prompt? It's a winding road, filled with detours and dead ends. This is where the magic of the perfect prompt formula comes into play. It's a structured approach, crafted to align with how ChatGPT's algorithm thinks and operates. By understanding and harnessing this formula, you're not just asking a question, you're speaking ChatGPT's language, ensuring clarity, precision, and efficiency. So, are you ready to unlock the true potential of ChatGPT? Let's dive deep into this transformative formula. The 7 best practices to follow while writing prompts. 1. Be specific. Imagine asking a librarian about books on space. You'd get an overwhelming variety. Now, let's refine. Imagine diving into the vast ocean of knowledge with a wide net. You'll catch many things, but not necessarily what you desire. Precision is the key. Instead of a broad "tell me about planets," zoom in with "what are the characteristics of the inner planets?" By being specific, you guide ChatGPT to deliver the exact pearls of information you seek. By asking specifically about the inner planets, you get a focused, detailed response. Precision guides the AI to the exact knowledge you seek. 2. State your intent. Now, let's add context. Every question has a purpose. Make yours clear. Instead of just "explain photosynthesis," provide context. "I'm preparing for a biology test. Can you simplify photosynthesis for me?" By stating your intent, you shape the AI's response, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your needs. By stating your intent, the AI tailors its response, making complex topics accessible and relevant to your needs. 3. Use correct spelling and grammar. Miscommunication often arises from unclear language. Language is the bridge between you and ChatGPT. A well-constructed question ensures a smooth journey. Typos and jumbled words can lead to detours. Prioritize clarity and accuracy in your prompts, and you'll find ChatGPT responding with equal precision. With clear spelling and grammar, ChatGPT can better understand and deliver the precise information you're after. 4. Direct the output format. But what if you're in a hurry? Information can be presented in myriad ways. Do you want a story, a list, or a summary? Direct the format. Instead of "how do you make a sandwich?" specify, list the steps for a turkey sandwich. By guiding the output, you get answers tailored to your preference. By directing the output format, you get answers tailored to your preference, making information consumption efficient. 5. Ask follow-up questions. Got the basics? Dive deeper. Conversations evolve. After an initial response, probe deeper. Ask follow-ups. Clarify doubts. Engaging with ChatGPT is like a dance, lead and follow, ensuring you both move in harmony towards the knowledge you seek. Follow-up questions refine the conversation, ensuring you extract every nugget of knowledge you desire. 6. Experiment with different phrasings. Let's tweak it. The beauty of language lies in its flexibility. Don't be afraid to rephrase or approach a question from a different angle. Each variation can shed new light, offering fresh perspectives and insights. Different phrasings can shed new light on a topic, offering fresh perspectives and deeper insights. 7. Prompt for fact-checking. But how accurate is that? In a world overflowing with information, how do you discern truth from fiction? Always prompt ChatGPT to verify facts. It's like having a built-in fact-checker, ensuring you stand on the solid ground of truth. Prompting for verification ensures you're getting information that's not just informative, but also accurate. With these 7 practices in your toolkit, you're set to harness the true potential of ChatGPT. Let's continue our journey of discovery. The formula of ChatGPT prompts. A 6-step guide to perfect prompt. Step 1. Assign a role. First, assign a role. For instance, tell ChatGPT, you are a history professor. This sets the tone and persona. Imagine seeking detailed insights about the Renaissance. By setting this role, you're guiding the AI to approach the topic with academic depth. Step 2. Define a job. Next, define its job. Say, your task is to explain historical events. This provides a clear directive. Want to understand the causes of World War I? By defining this job, you're asking the AI to delve into the intricacies of historical events. Step 3. Pass the control. Then, hand over the control. Let ChatGPT lead by saying, ask me what you need to know about the 1920s. This inversion lets the AI gather context. Instead of you guessing what to ask, let the AI query you for a comprehensive understanding. Step 4. Define input. Step 4 is about defining the input. Guide the AI on how to interact. Say, users will ask about art techniques. By doing this, you're prepping the AI to expect queries in a specific domain, ensuring more accurate responses. Step 5. Define output. Step 5. Define the output. Shape the final response. If you want a concise answer, instruct. Provide summaries, not lengthy explanations. This ensures you get information in a digestible format, tailored to your preference. Step 6. Share examples. Finally, Step 6. Share examples. Reinforce the previous steps. If you're focusing on art, provide sample queries like, tell me about the Baroque style or explain the influence of Van Gogh. This gives the AI a clear picture of the kind of interactions to expect. Real-life examples. With this formula, you're set to craft perfect prompts. Let's see it in action with real-life scenarios. Example 1. Gardening enthusiast. Imagine you're venturing into the world of gardening. Your hands are eager to touch the soil, but your mind is filled with questions. Your context is your inexperience. I'm new to gardening. Your passion shines through your interest. Interested in growing tomatoes. Your quest for knowledge is clear in your intent or goal. Can you guide me on how to care for tomato plants? And you prefer a structured guide. So, the response format is, provide a step-by-step guide. Combine these, and you get the perfect prompt. I'm new to gardening and interested in growing tomatoes. Can you provide a step-by-step guide on how to care for tomato plants? Example 2. Aspiring musician. Now, envision an aspiring musician. The strings resonate with passion, but the fingers falter. The context? I'm learning to play the guitar. The challenge is real. Struggling with chord transitions. Seeking guidance, the intent or goal emerges. Can you offer tips to improve? And you want it concise. The response format? List the tips in bullet points. Merge them, and you have I'm learning to play the guitar and struggling with chord transitions. Can you offer tips to improve? List them in bullet points. With these real-life examples, the art of crafting the perfect prompt becomes tangible. It's about understanding your needs, structuring them, and letting ChatGPT work its magic. Practical application. Now, it's your turn to shine. Think of your daily tasks, hobbies, or any topic you're passionate about. Whether you're whipping up a new recipe, diving into a history assignment, planning a trip, or sketching a masterpiece, the formula remains the same. Use our 6-step guide to craft your perfect prompt. Remember, it's all about context, specificity, and clarity. The beauty of this formula? Its versatility. It's not just for ChatGPT. Whether you're using Midjourney or any other AI tool, this formula is your key to success. We've journeyed through the art of effective prompting today. The power to unlock ChatGPT's potential lies in your hands. Experiment, refine, and remember. Every prompt is a step closer to mastery. So, go ahead. Master the art of prompting and unlock the full potential of ChatGPT. Let me know if it worked for you in the comments section.